strongly and send a message across to all our legislators, regardless of the party, because we are not here for any particular party. We are here for a cause. We are here to see that the people who committed the rape gets the maximum punishment. We are here to see that it does not become an offense where the police take it very lightly. The police have to be sensitized when a girl comes and reports a rape case. It has to be a non-cognizable offense. No, it has to be an FIR. Yes, and it also, and the person, the victim also should not be let off so easily. It has to be a non-bailable offense. Also, if the rape victim, especially a girl child, and she dies because of it, then the death penalty has to be given to the rapist. These are the laws we want our people to change. These are the laws. We heard on the news today that the BJP is asking for a special session of parliament. Please have that session for one and only one cause, and that is to change the law regarding women, protection of women, and punishing the rapist. That is the only reason you will have it, and let all of them be united. Let us not have people coming and disrupting meetings saying, this one hi, that one hi. They didn't commit the rape. They never said the rapist hi. So please, let's be very, very strong on this. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Hello.
Hi, I have been living in the city for the past 28 years, and over the past 2 years, I shudder to get out of home post 10 o'clock. I don't want to shudder to get out of my own home in my own city, Mumbai, which is known to be one of the safest cities in this country otherwise. I want a law where every man who stares at me, every man who looks at my chest should shudder in his boots before he even looks at me. I want a law that will instill fear in men and make every woman standing over here fearless enough to go out there and live her life no matter what. No matter what time it is, no matter what time of the day, no matter what time of the night it is.
Excuse me.
One last thing I forgot to say. All rape cases must be put on fast track so that within a year, judgment is given to that rapist, whether it is to hang him or give him the life imprisonment. But you cannot keep waiting for judgment to be given. Within 6 months. Within 6 months.
Okay, we have the additional commissioner of police with us, and we have a letter which has a certain demands. I would like. Okay. Sir, would you like to say a few words?
And please listen to him and what he has to say. Thank you.
There is a prayer. God grant me the serenity to accept the things which I cannot change. Courage to change the things which I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Today's march is with a specific objective, specific cause. I do remember one poem of La Mancha. The last 3 lines are very important. To fight for the right without questions, without pause. To be willing to march into the hell for heavenly cause. Today, there is anger, there is a bit of a frustration, and we are here to address the issue. I will tell you, in Pune there was a rape case in Wipro call center in which one girl was brutally raped by 2 culprits, and I could investigate it in such a manner that last month the High Court confirmed the death sentence given to both the accused, and that is confirmed by the High Court. So this capital punishment is already awarded. Those 2 guys, 21, 22-year-old, no criminal background, but they planned and raped this girl, and after her pleading, they murdered her. My sisters are here, young sisters are there. I will suggest as an elder brother to fight, to retaliate. There is chance of getting saved when you retaliate. And there is, once you succumb to the pressure or to the heinous objective of that criminal, then there is chance of that harm, physical harm. So let me tell you, there are legal remedies available. Already this 509 and 354, these outraging modesty of a woman and molestation cases, Justice Dharmadhikari Committee has recommended to make them null bailable, and